Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you a little information if you are new to Rivian like in 2026, but you aren't new to EVs in general and home charging. So that information is coming up. So if you bought a 2026 Rivian, as you know, they have switched to the NACS port. And this question has been coming up a lot. It's kind of like an issue is basically like if you had a Tesla before, say like an older Tesla, like we have a 2018, and you have like a Gen 2 mobile connector. So basically that's the one that is like has the silver in the middle. And so if you have one of those mobile connectors that are a little bit older, you can't use that right off the bat to charge your new 26 NACS Rivian. The protocols aren't there or whatever. So it won't work basically if you just plug it in. So what I've seen is for if you have a Gen 2 and you don't, you can use it but there's a couple things that you need to adjust. So one is in the car, you need to set the scheduling on your Rivian because basically if you don't set scheduling, it'll reset to the 48 amps every time. So I'll show you how to do that now. So go into your charging screen here. If you don't see it, you can hit the dots on the right here and then hit energy at the right. And what you want to do is you want to go to schedule here at the top. You want to turn that on. And basically it's going to be set for your home location or wherever the car is located. So it recycles at this point. Set the time for whatever you want. And then what you want to do is set the amps to 32. So one of the reasons it doesn't work is because the Gen 2 is only maxed out at 32, but the car defaults to 48 amps. So that's where the issue comes in. So you have to tell it charge at 32 amps or else it won't work. And in addition to doing that scheduling, what you want to do is unplug the mobile connector from your 240 outlet and from the car, and then plug it back in. And with the scheduling set, it should fix it and it should be able to charge with your older Gen 2 mobile connector. Another thing you could do is if you are basically new to everything and you want to get Tesla EVSEs or whatever, you can get the new Gen 3 Tesla mobile connector, and that'll work just like any other charger. You just plug it into your, into the wall, plug it into the car, and it should charge because the protocols are in there. And it knows the Tesla mobile connector, the Gen 3 knows that, oh, hey, this is a Rivian, let it charge. Whereas the Gen 2, it doesn't. And this is only regarding the mobile connectors. So if you have a Gen 3 wall connector, like we have a Gen 3 wall connector at home, those ones should work right off the bat. Well, it almost should work right off the bat. You just need to make sure that it's set for all EV. So I have another video on how to do that and how to make sure you can charge your Rivian with a Gen 3 wall connector, but that's a really easy fix as well. So I'll link you to that video up top. And that's pretty much it. So, that's all you need to do if you have a new 26 Rivian with NACS. Those couple adjustments, if you already have some EVSEs to make it work with your Tesla EVSE, equipment, that's pretty much it. And it should work after that. So if you have any questions, let me know below. And thanks for watching.